Good evening, everyone. I am Vinoda Patil. Today I am giving seminar on subject seminar on hypothesis testing for proportion and variance. Uh, Hypothesis testing for proportion. Hypothesis testing. First, we learn first one hypothesis testing. In hypothesis testing, relatively small samples are used to answer questions about the population parameter and how to learn hypothesis testing for a proportion and is applicable. The application of the situation that do not ask for the mean but rather to know what a percentage of the population is in favor of a certain idea or concept, such as will a new product be a success or not? Will this is certain candidate win or not? Who are you voting for the next president? Then proportion. The sample proportion is in the success category is denoted by PS. PS is the ratio of number of success in a sample and the sample size. This is denoted by X by N. When both NP and N into 1 minus P are at least 5, PS can be approximated by normal distribution with a mean and standard deviation. And we have to find out the mean value. Mu PS is equal to P and sigma PS is equal to root of P into 1 minus P divided by N. Then this test this test the population is divided into two. One is a mutually exhaustive and one another one is ex- exhaustive. This class is based on certain attributes, one class having that attributes and another class not having the attributes. The basic procedure for solving the problems and first step is state the null hypothesis H naught and the alternative hypothesis HA, and second step is set the level of significance, and the third one is calculate the test of static Z, and the fourth one is calculate the phi value and make a fifth one is make a decision and click whether the reject the null hypothesis by comparing the p-value. To solving the one example for using these including steps. For example, question is a sample survey indicates that out of 3,232 births, 1,705 were boys and rest were girls. Do this figure confirm the hypothesis that the sex ratio is 50 ratio 50? What is the 5% level of the significance? Solution. Starting from the null hypothesis that the sex ratio is 50 ratio 50, we may write H naught equal to H naught ratio P. P equal to P of H naught equal to 1 by 2 because of 50, and HA equal to, and HA ratio equal to P is not equal to P of H naught. Then hence the probability of the boy birth or P equal to 1 by 2, and the probability of the girl's birth, birth is also 1 by 2. Considering the boy birth has a success and the girl birth has failure, we can rate as under the population success or P equal to 1 by 2, and the n is a given data, and 3232 is given. The standard error of proportion of success is equal to root of p into q divided by n, equal to p is 1 by 2 and q is 1 by 2, and total number is 3322 is equal to 0.0088. Observed sample proportion of a success p equal to 1705 divided by 3232 equal to 0.5275, and the test of statics is equal to p cap minus p divided by root of p into q divided by n, where p cap is 0.5275 minus 5000 divided by 0.0088 is equal to 3125. As we HA is a two sides in the given question, we shall be applying the two tails test for determining the rejection reason at the 5% level. Then R is a reason. It is a ratio of magnitude of Z. Z is a greater than or equal to 1.96. The observed value of Z is 3.125, which comes in the rejection region. Since R ratio magnitude of Z is greater than 1.96, then thus H0 is rejected in favor of HA. Accordingly, we conclude that the given figure do not confirm the hypothesis of sex ratio being 50 ratio 50. Then next one is hypothesis testing for variance. First, we learn hypothesis test. What is a hypothesis testing of variance? This test hypothesis is very similar to that the independent measures T statics, but now can be applied when we have more than two groups. Hypothesis and ANOVA. It is it name is says that analysis of variance, a statistical technique for testing. It handles a situation with more than two samples or a categories to compare. And earliest to link of ANOVA has a extension of the T test for the significance of the differences between two samples means, but the T test was limited to the two sample case. Example for your book. Here we want to find the attributes towards the capital punishment is related to significantly to religion. Then second one is we will want to know which one is completely recording. Then next one is we will want to know which religion show the most support for a capital punishment. There are three types of in hypothesis variance. First one is a left tail test, and second one is a right tail test. Third one is two side of test. First one is the right tail test and the left tail test are examples of one tail test. They are called as one tail test because the rejection reason is only in one tail, and the two tails test is called a two tail test because the rejection reason can be either tail, both side tail. Here to this blue color is indicate that p value area to the left of the statics, and this and yellow color is indicated that test statics, and this condition is satisfied when h naught is h naught ratio is mu is greater than or equal to 2.5, and ha mu is less than or equal to 2.5. Then right tail test, the alternative hypothesis HA contains the less than of inequality symbol is less than. H naught is H naught ratio is and two tail test. Two tail test is the acceptance on the rejection reason in case of two tailed test suitable when H naught ratio mu is equal to mu naught and HA ratio is equal to mu is not equal to mu naught. The name is suggested that it's having a two rejection reason. Oh, one is from right side, one is from left side. The total acceptance region or confidence level 1 minus alpha equal to C, and the rejection region is alpha by 2. Uh, then rejection ratio, then we find the ratio. And for a small example for finding the critical value, the critical t-square table to find the critical value x square alpha equal to 24.9958, alpha equal to 0.05 and n minus 1. 16 minus 1 equal to 15 df, x square equal to n minus 1 into s square divided by rho sigma square equal to 16 minus 1 into 24 divided by 16 equal to 22.5. Since 22.5 is less than 24.9958, do not reject the H naught. So alpha value is this small is indicate the alpha value is 0.05. It reject and do not reject the remaining plane surface. Thank you. Thank you.